Hello and welcome back to the channel. Hola y bienvenidos al canal. If you just came across this channel, hello and welcome back. This is a channel in which you will be learning some Spanish. Now I'll give you tips and tricks, basic grammar, and sometimes during the lessons, maybe an exercise for you to do to keep your brain functioning. I'm only joking. But yes, sometimes I will leave some exercise for you to do or to send me some comments, something like that. In today in today's video, we're seeing the indefinite articles. Last week we saw the definite articles, so if you missed that one, you can either finish this video and go back and check, or go to that one first and then go back to this one. Up to you. But without further ado, let's go ahead and have a look at the indefinite articles in Spanish. So what would these indefinite articles in Spanish be in English? So for the singular nouns, you would have a or en. For example, an apple or a house, a car, blah blah blah. So those will be un or una, depending of the gender of that word. As you know, in Spanish, we have genders for the words. So some of them will be feminine and some of them will be masculine, but don't be fooled, because not all the words finishing in O are masculine and none of the words finishing in A are feminine. And there's words finishing in E, which will be masculine mostly. But yeah, don't be fooled and think that all the rules are the same all the time, because they're not. So my trick, if you saw the video last week, you already know this one. But if you haven't, is to learn the definite or indefinite article, up to you, on the noun together. So every time you learn a new word, that being a vocabulary of a noun, learn it with the article that goes with it, so you will always know and remember if it's a feminine or a masculine word. And you will know how to use it in sentences properly without making a mistake, which is the easiest way and saves you a lot of time. So yeah, and then the plural would be unas and unos, which in English is mostly some. If we're doing negative sentences, would be any, but as we're learning the vocabulary now, it'll be some. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and have the feminine singular nouns, which will be using una. So, una mesa, a table. Una revista, a magazine. Una tapa, a tapa. Una amiga mía, a friend of mine. Disclaimer, if you're doing a boy, it'd be un amigo mío. Okay, let's keep going. Una calle. This is tricky. The two L's in Spanish sounds like a Y kind of thing. Like when you say year, like that. But give you other examples. Rain, lluvia, paella, another one. Let me know if you would be interested in a video that shows you how to pronounce the kind of trickier words, or the words that are more complicated for English or other speakers that don't speak Spanish. So how to pronounce some of the words, or for example, like G, U, and then a vowel, or things like that. I think it could be a really good video, but let me know in the comments if you will be interested in that. Let's keep going. Una playa, a beach. Una madre, a mother. Una manzana, an apple. As you can see on the right hand side, it will either be a or an in English, but in Spanish will be una for all. Let's go have a look at the masculine, which would use the article un. So, un parque, a park. Un balcón, a balcony. Un plato, a plate. Un cotilleo, a gossip. I repeat because it's a hard one. Un cotilleo. Okay? Cotilleo. Very good. Un libro, a book. Un actor, an actor, y un perfume, a perfume. Let's have a look at the feminine plural nouns. The article unas. Unas sillas, some chairs. Unas rosas, some roses. Unas cervezas, some beers. Unas galletas, some cookies. Unas chaquetas, some jackets. Unas naranjas, some oranges. Unas vecinas, some neighbors, all girls though. If it was neighbors, all boys, or a mix between boys and girls, we would say unos vecinos with O. Let's go and have a look at the article unos for masculine plural nouns. Unos regalos, some presents. Unos calamares, some calamari. Unos profesores, some teachers. Unos cumpleaños, some birthdays. Unos bolígrafos, some pens. Unos deberes, some homework. Unos colegas or amigos, some friends. Colegas, a little bit of a slang there, but unos colegas or amigos. Either or, perfectly fine. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to go and have a look at the definite articles from last week, I'll just leave it linked after this video or in the description box. And yeah, let me know. Can you do the reverse? Can you turn the masculine plural nouns that we've seen during the video in singular and the singular into plural? Let me know in the comments. Little exercise. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.